What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple accounts to your TikTok and be able to switch between them. So to do so, I'll go to my profile here on my TikTok page at the bottom right corner. Here you can see my name and my picture, and at the top of the page, you'll see an icon that says add name with an arrow pointing down next to it. If I press on the arrow, you'll see here that I have my main account, and below it I have the option to add account. If I press on add account, I'm able here to create a new account using any of these methods here. Or if I do have another TikTok account, I can go ahead and log in with it. You'll find the login option at the bottom of the page here. And once I do add my other account, when I press on the arrow pointing down here at the top of the page, I'll have the choice between the two accounts and I can switch between them.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.